Hello, grade senior 10. Welcome back to our math class. For today's discussion, we're going to discuss about word problems involving divisions. So since we know naman how to divide, so we're going to involve that to the division into word problem. Okay. So division, it is equal sharing or grouping a set into equal parts. So there are steps to follow in order to solve word problem. Okay. So a kangaroo can jump or leap as 4 meters. How many leaps has a kangaroo made if it has traveled 64 meters? So we will know the steps. The first step is what is asked. The second step is what are given. The third step is what operation or process should be used. The fourth step is what is the number sentence. And the last one is you will solve and check. So what is asked in our problem? So how many jumps are made to the kangaroo? Our given or the given facts here is 4 meters a leap and 64 meters. Our operation or process should be used is division. And the fourth step is what is the number sentence. A number sentence looks like this. So 64 divided by 4 is equals to blank or n or is or equal to n. The fifth step is you will solve and check. So 64 divided by 4, in order to get this one, so you will use the bracket or the long division form. So 64 divided by 4. So we will have first to divide the tens place, which is 6 to 4. So 6 divided by 4 is equals 1. 1 times 4 is equals 4. And then subtract. So 6 minus 4 is equals 2. And then the last one is bring down. Bring down 4. 24 divided by 4 is equals to 6. And then the same process after dividing, multiply. So 6 times 4 is equals 24. And then after multiplying, subtract. 24 minus 24 is equals to 0. So our answer here is 16 jumps. So in how to check your answer, you have to multiply and add the remainder. So we don't have a remainder here, so we'll just multiply the quotient and the divisor. So 16 times 4 is equals to 6 times 4 is equals to 24. Bring down 4 and carry 2 at the top of 1. And then 4 times 1 is equals 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. So 16 times 4 is equals to 64. And 64 here is our dividend. So a kangaroo can jump or leap as 4 meters. How many leaps has a kangaroo made if it has traveled 188 meters? So identify what is asked. How many jumps are made? What are given? 4 meters a leap and 188 meters. The third one or the operation or process should be used is division. The fourth one is what is the number sentence? The number sentence is 188 divided by 4 is equals to blank, or 188 divided by 4 is equals to n. The fifth step or the last step is solve and check. Solve. So 188 divided by 4 and the 100 place is 101, and we cannot divide 1 divided by 4. So we will use 18. So the hundreds and the tens place. So 18 divided by 4 is 4. So 4 times 4 after dividing multiplied. Remember the DMBS, that one. So 4 times 4 is equals 16. So after multiplying, subtract. 18 minus 6 is equals to 2. So after subtracting, bring down. So 28. So bring down 8. So 28 divided by 4 is equals to 7. And then multiply. 7 times 4 is equals to 28. And then subtract. 28 minus 28 is equals to 0. So we can say that 188 divided by 4 is equals to 47, or 47 jumps. How to check? So just multiply the quotient and the divisor. So 7 times 4 is equals to that one. So bring down 8 and carry 2 at the top of the tens place, which is the number 4. So 4 times 4 is equals 16, plus 2 is equals 18. So 188 is our answer, and that is our dividend. Okay. Another example here. 5 people want omelets for breakfast. If there are 15 eggs, how many eggs are needed for each omelette? So identify what is asked. So how many eggs are needed for each omelette? The second step is what are the given facts, which we have here 5 people and 15 eggs. The operation or the process should be used is division, and 15 divided by 5 or equals blank or equals to n is our number sentence. And the last step is solve and check. We have here 15 divided by 5. It's so easy, just you can skip count by 3. So the answer is 3, and 3 times 5 equals 15. Then subtract. 15 minus 15 is equals to 0. So we have here 3x. And how to check? Just multiply the quotient and the divisor. 3 times 5 is equals to 15. And now we get the answer here, and that is our dividend. Okay, another example. We have here Samantha has 28 books. She wants to divide them and make 4 equal stacks to lend to her friends. How many books should put in each stacks? Okay, first step is you will determine what is the ask. So how many books should she put in each stacks? The second step is what are the given facts. We have here 28 books and 4 friends. The third one is the operation or the process should be used, division. The fourth one is a number sentence, so 28 divided by 4. And we will use this one, the long division form, or we have the bracket. So 28 divided by 4. So 2 divided by 4, it cannot be. So we'll use the 2 numbers here, which is the ones place and the tens place. So 28 divided by 4 is, very good, 7. So 7 times 4 is 28. So you can now subtract 28 minus 28 is equals to 0. And then we have here 28 divided by 4 is equals to 7. So we have here 7 books. And then check your answer. 7 times 4 is equals to 28. Very good. Grade 2. So this would be your math things to do in lesson 4.5. It's not 4.4, but it's lesson 4.5. Okay, very good. So I hope you learned something from Teacher Dana, and good luck to your 4th periodical exam, and thank you for listening, and goodbye.